Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn on how we may upgrade our existing package or add a new plan to our existing package based on a requirement. So I'll show you. For now, my present subscription is for direct tax package. It's been already 6 months from the start date and approx 6 months are left to the expiry of my current plan. It is a 1 year plan and the login limit for now is 1500. Yes, 1500 and one login is available. So I'll go to my price and plans and pricing, and it is showing me all the details required for now. It is showing me that limited logins plan, which I have taken for 1 year. My continue plan will keep working. That means direct tax package will still be intact, and additional this percent discount will be applicable on the upgraded plan, which will remain active till the expiry of the current plan. I'll explain you this, and additional 8% discount is active on my cart if I upgrade. Suppose if I renew, it won't let me renew because renewal is allowed in the last 6 months only. So it is showing me that as I have taken direct tax package, these four plans are already included in my direct tax plan. So it allow me to add them. But if I want to see what all plan details were present in this, I may click on this and it will show me the plan details present in the already taken plans. So for the combo direct tax package, I may click on the plan details. It will show me what all is included in this. Just it won't allow me to add any of the already existing package. This shows already subscribed. This shows included in your existing plan. So additionally, I want to take a GST plan. So or upgrade it. I may choose this. Go to my cart. 1 year limited logins plan. The original price of this package is 21,500. But here in my cart, I only have to pay 4900. Why is this so? Because the original plan is this. We get the difference of the original plan and the existing plan for the current date. Here is the difference, and this is the amount for upgrade. As we are not charging the user for the whole 1 year, we are only charging for the days that are left from the date of expiry. Hence, is the discount applicable here. This is for the benefit of the users because suppose in between of a current plan I feel that I need some other plan as well, so I may very conveniently without paying an unjustified amount, I may go to my checkout and then include that plan in my existing current package. This is suppose if I'm upgrading from direct tax plus G to direct tax plus GST. If it is a completely new plan which I am adding, suppose customs duty, it will show me this is the original amount and this is the amount which I have to pay. Additionally, I may have PO number which will be present on all the invoices. A discount code for now, flat 8% is present on the upgraded plans. When this is applied, it will show me that this much discount is present and I may click on checkout. Similarly, I may remove the plan from by clicking on the cross over here. Cross. It has cleared my cart. I'll upgrade to all in one package. This is the PO number, discount is applied, and I'll click on the checkout. These are all the plan details. Here also it will show that it is for the addition or upgradation that is happening. This is the adjusted subtotal and this is the amount payable. Again, I may either choose for an offline payment, but the activation will be done on the receipt of the payment only. However, when an online payment is done, it will take me to the HDFC payment gateway. And as soon as we receive the payment will be processed and the activation account will be done just right there. So now once the payment is received, you'll see a payment success page on which you'll see the amount received and a message that kindly log out and relog in to see the subscribed content. So as we are currently subscribed to direct tax package and we have upgraded to all-in-one package, so all the content which was not a part of DT package but is part of all-in-one, that will only be accessed once you log out and re-log in. So when you click on view invoice, you can see the invoice being generated for this order, or simply click on home and in the subscriptions also you may see all in one package being shown in the current orders. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, do contact us. Thank you.